This video, we were making a lip balm for the ladies, and because of having to travel in my suitcase and be very limited in how much I was able to bring as far as liquids go, I really only used 2 ingredients for this, and that was jojoba oil and the beeswax. Now, of course, when you go online, you're going to find a lot of great recipes for making healing balms, and you can include as many carriers as you want as long as you get your proportions right. Now for this one, which was probably going to be a nice firm balm that we put in the tins, was a 2-to-1 ratio. In other words, we did like 1 tablespoon of the beeswax to 2 tablespoons of the carrier. Now we probably could have gone a little higher on the carrier and added another carrier oil. Just depends on the texture and what you're looking for. If you want it to be more firm, or if you want it to be a little more softer, like let's say Vicks Vapor Rub or something, something that has a little more pliability to it. So you want to play around with that and try different variations. But in particular blend directly into the tins after we had melted the wax and the carrier oil, because we didn't want to heat the oils because of the heat that would have destroyed some of the healing properties and components, and the mixture was going to harden. So you have to get it in there right away. And basically you stir it up and leave it to set and let it become hard. They loved this. This was such a super easy recipe to do. So in the essential oil blend, they used 15 drops, their blend. Now they got to choose the 3 or 4 oils that they used in that, which we followed the blending by note technique, which was 1 drop of base note to 2 drops of middle note to 3 drops of top note. And that was the ratio of the essential oil blend. This is so easy to do. I'm going to share a couple of recipes below in the description so you guys can get those, maybe try them out and let me know what you think. Well, let's go ahead and watch a few clips from China, and I want to share with you some of my experiences there. Hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I would love to hear from you. Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. I am at the Great Wall of China. This is so cool. I want to show you this view. Isn't this incredible? Look at those mountains, they're gorgeous. And it's a beautiful day. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if I'm holding it where you can see it. It's incredible.